Good morning, I'm
Good
Mr. Rajdeep
morning. I'm
from the Furnishing
Apasi.
Group.
How
Hi,
are you?
good, how are you?
Have a seat first.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate you have giving us precious time.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
I must say you have a pretty good office, very well designed.
Yeah, being in the hotel business, so it's become obvious for us
Mm-hmm.
to have a nice office like this, but not just only office. So our hotels will have a luxury design as well.
I
Yeah,
get it.
that's why we have won the best hotel award for 2 years.
Oh, that's nice, that's really
Yes.
great. And I must say I'm a big fan of your hotels, especially the Melbourne one. I stayed
Oh,
over there for 3 nights last month along with my family, and I must say I had a very great time. It was a great service, great quality food, and it was just amazing.
oh, I'm glad to have a lovely stay in our hotel. Shall we start the meeting?
Yeah, sure. So as you know, our company, the Furnishing Group, is in the manufacturing business of furniture for last 7 years, and we basically manufacture furniture like beds, tables, and chairs. And some of our major clients are the JW Marriott, Radisson, and the Lathrop University in Melbourne.
Yeah, that's very impressive. So, I'm pretty sure you are already aware as our hotel company,
Uh-huh.
because the Meridians own three hotels in
Yes.
Australia.
Okay.
So one in the Sydney,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, as you know, Melbourne, and in Hobart,
Okay.
and now we are opening in Rochester as well.
Okay.
Yes, so in the past,
Uh-huh.
the contract for the furnitures for all our hotel were given to the same companies.
Okay.
Yes, but this is is facing um, the financial crisis.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we're looking for the new company for purchasing the furniture for the room in our new
New hotel.
hotels.
Okay.
But the biggest problem for us is the time.
All right.
Yeah, because our owner wanna start a new hotel in next year,
Oh,
in
okay.
2019,
I see.
around Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So,
just 1 year left.
and what about the furniture for the lobby and other places like dining area and other place?
Our designers are still working on that part.
Okay.
Yes, but I think this probably will be given to the same company as well.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So, can I ask you some of the questions which will help me to determine your requirements and your needs for your hotel?
Yeah, please feel free to ask me everything.
Well, the most important question is: are you willing to make this purchasing decision today itself?
As I already mentioned, so we are just less time,
Uh huh.
and I've already done meeting with other companies.
Okay.
So yes, if we are able to figure out a
Okay.
best deal today, we could finalize the decision today as well.
Okay, that's great. And
Yes.
another thing, are there any other people involved in making this decision, or you are doing it alone?
Being the head of a purchasing department in this company, yes, I believe I can make all of decision.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, can you just tell me with which company you were dealing in past for the rest of your three hotels?
Well, we were dealing with wood and wood company.
Oh, okay. I must say they're very well known in Australia and they have a good
Yeah,
quality of products.
yeah.
But one thing I can assure you is that the price of our company for our products will be very less as compared to theirs.
Okay.
Reason being, we manufacture our goods in Australia itself and we have plants like in Brisbane and Gold Coast, whereas they manufacture their products from other countries like India, China. So you can see that our transportation cost is almost zero as compared to their. So the price is going to be very less.
That great price is very important factor, but for us, the quality
Yes.
is still is major factor for our company, especially after sales service.
Okay.
Yes.
I understand your point, but you don't need to worry about that as well because we use the best quality of raw material,
Good.
depending upon your budget, and our after sales service is also really great
Yes.
because we do an quality checkup after every 1 year.
Okay.
So can I ask you how many rooms are there going to be in your hotel and what will be the budget for each room?
So our hotel have 80 rooms.
Okay.
So silver standard rooms out of which 20 will
Mm-hmm.
be will have a single queen size bed,
Okay.
and other 20 will have two single beds in
Okay.
each room.
Okay.
Other 20 rooms are gold standard rooms,
All right.
which will be a bit more spatial than the first one.
All right.
They will provide with the king size bed,
Okay.
and remaining 20 rooms suite, which
All right.
will include a king size bed
Uh-huh.
along with a single bed.
Oh, that's great. That's
Yes.
it. And what about the tables and chairs in those rooms?
Um, we have planned to include a standard side table in silver rooms
Okay.
with the single chair,
Oh, single chair.
whereas
Okay.
both gold standard
Uh-huh.
and the suite rooms
Mm-hmm.
will contain the long head table.
Okay.
Yes, with two chairs
Two.
in each room, and we want to have a different design and quality of the furniture in each standard room, making them different
I understand
from
that.
the
I
other.
understand. So according to my calculation, you require 20 queen size beds, 60 single beds, 40
Yes.
king size beds, and 20 normal size tables, along with 40 longer tables and
Yes.
120 chairs in total.
Perfect. So, Mr. Dave, can you suggest me um, why should we give you this contact? I'm not another company.
That's a really good question. The most important thing that makes us different from other competitors is that we provide a variety of quality for our raw materials.
Yes.
Like we do it in basic steel, stainless steel, bronze, copper, and we also manufacture furniture in woods like maple, oak, pine, and especially the Australian timber, the luxurious Australian timber, which only which which only deals in two companies in entire Australia, and we are one of them.
Okay, that's very impressive. So, I would like to know more detail about what are the major incentives that you can provide to us.
Our company usually provides 5 years of warranty for the quality, color, and design of our products.
Yes.
But we are dealing for the first time with you, so I can most probably extend the warranty for next 3 years,
Yes.
and along with that, the quality checkup would be done after every 6 months.
I must say you are very confident for your furniture.
Yes, I am.
So, how much you can offer us for each of standard room, including 3 items, so table, bed, yeah, and chairs, and what material you will use in
Each
another
room, okay.
standard rooms.
Well, according to me, we should be used the silver copper in silver standard rooms,
Yes.
and for gold standard rooms we'll be using maple or oak wood,
Yes.
whereas for the suites we should be using
Yes.
the Australian timber for the beds, whereas for the tables and chairs we will be using an oak or pine wood. So that will make all your rooms different according to their price and everything. And if I talk about the budget, it will cost you around, the silver standards will be cost you around $1,500 each room, whereas
Wow.
gold standard rooms will cost you around $1,800, and the suites will cost you around $2,400 because they use the Australian timber.
Okay.
Yeah.
That plans you just mentioned is very interesting, but to be honest, it's a bit expensive for us.
Okay.
Yeah, as I have from plan from other companies as
Mhm.
well. This claim to fulfill our requirement at a cheaper price. So we expect you to go lower with your price.
To be very honest with you, Ms. Burr, this is the best budget we have provided to any company till now. But
Yes.
as I told you, we are dealing with you for the first time. If we make the deal today itself, I can offer you a special discount of $200 on each of
Okay.
your silver standard and gold standard rooms. Whereas for suites, it can be just only around $100 because it is using the most expensive timber of that room.
All right. If we give you the contact today,
Mhm.
then by when can you deliver the whole furniture to us? Yeah, because like I don't want to rush you, but yeah, as you know, we have just 1 year left.
I understand that you don't need to worry about that. If we have a deal today, our company will start with your project, but tomorrow itself, and we'll send our designing employees to your hotel tomorrow to have a look around, about and take the measurements of your rooms and everything. And by next 10 to 15 days, we'll send you with some of the designs
Yes.
to finalize. And after you finalize those designs for each of your room, we'll start your process. And guess in within next 6 months, we will be ready to deliver your entire
6
project.
months. Okay, so you mean by July next year, so you will be able to deliver everything to us?
Yes, I will. I'm pretty much. I will.
Okay, are you sure about that, right?
I'm very much sure about it. We have a well-trained team of 600 employees in our manufacturing and plant, and they're well trained to do that. So 6 months is not a difficult task for us.
So, and does your companies will provide us delivery and setup as well?
Yeah, definitely we do. Our company will provide the delivery and the setup as well. Our team of 80 employees will be there to set up all the furniture in your rooms in the
Yes.
exact place that they should be. And I must tell you, the expense of all these things is included in the price I've already mentioned. So you don't need to pay any some extra charges for that.
I must say you will be impressed with your company, and I hope we receive all what you just mentioned.
Definitely, ma'am, you can mark my words. You'll be glad to do business with us, and you will be satisfied with everything we're gonna deliver to you.
Oh, okay, so can you explain me how you want the payment to be
Sure,
done?
sure. Initially, we ask our customers to pay 30% of the total amount in advance, and rest 70% after the delivery is done and our customers are satisfied is with it. And we take payments. Usually, we take payments in paper checks, and wire transfer are also comfortable. Not any problems.
Okay, great. Yes. So,
So-
I guess everything seems to be perfect.
So, can you sign the contract papers?
Yeah, sure.
Yep. And as soon as I reach back my office, I'll just email you all the papers. And if somehow you have any queries, you can email me or text me whenever you're comfortable.
I will. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you for
Thank
the
you for your time. Good.